This tax season, you could see some new and familiar scams pop up.
But now there's a new tool for taxpayers to help identify different types of tax fraud and report it. NBC10 Responds, Valeria Aponte-Feliciano walks us through the recently launched resource so you don't become a victim.
This is what the IRS new report fraud page looks like. If you were scammed, suspect tax fraud, or had information stolen, the agency wants to hear from you. One of the top tactics scammers use is phishing, sending fake messages that look like they're coming from the IRS. It can start with an unsolicited email, text, or call from a scammer.
Saying that this is the IRS where you got back taxes.
John Fold is with the IRS. He says after a scammer makes contact with a taxpayer, they will try to use fear to convince their victim to pay them.
We're going to garnish your wages. We're going to seize property. You're going to see those phrases, and it is scary.
John says the IRS will never initiate contact with a taxpayer this way.
If you get something from the IRS, it's going to come through the U.S. Postal Service.
If this happens to you, your next step is to report it. On the report fraud page, there's an option to click report a fake IRS message or call. Other resources on the page include report tax fraud or a scam, get identity theft help in the event your information is stolen, and file a complaint against a tax preparer. If you want to access the IRS report fraud tools, head to NBC10 Responds, maximizing your tax refund page by scanning the QR code on your screen. There, you'll find the link, as well as other best practices for filing. We put it all in one place for you. For NBC10 Responds, I'm Valeria Aponte-Feliciano.